Maximizing compensation. Motorcycle accident underinsured coverage. Motorcycle accidents can lead to devastating consequences, both physically and financially. As a rider, it's crucial to understand the complexities of underinsured coverage to ensure you're adequately protected in the event of an accident. Understanding underinsured coverage. When an accident occurs, the at-fault driver's insurance is typically responsible for covering the damages. However, what happens if the responsible party is underinsured, meaning their insurance limits aren't sufficient to cover your losses? This is where underinsured coverage comes into play. It serves as a critical safety net, ensuring you don't face financial hardships due to someone else's lack of insurance foresight. Underinsured coverage varies by state, and it's essential to comprehend the specifics outlined in your policy. This coverage typically includes bodily injury and property damage components, but the limits and conditions may differ. In some cases, it might also cover hit-and-run accidents, where the responsible driver can't be identified. Moreover, it's important to note that underinsured coverage is distinct from uninsured coverage. While uninsured coverage protects you in cases where the at-fault driver has no insurance, underinsured coverage provides additional support when the at-fault driver's insurance isn't sufficient. The importance of underinsured coverage for motorcycle riders. Motorcycle riders face unique risks on the road due to the inherent lack of protection compared to enclosed vehicles. This increased vulnerability highlights the critical role of underinsured coverage specifically for motorcyclists. In accidents involving motorcycles, injuries can be severe, leading to extensive medical bills, rehabilitation costs, and even long-term disabilities. Imagine a scenario where a negligent driver causes a serious accident, leaving you with substantial medical expenses. If that driver's insurance isn't enough to cover your bills, your underinsured coverage becomes essential. Additionally, property damage is a significant concern for motorcycle riders. Repairing or replacing a damaged bike can be expensive, and if the responsible driver's insurance is insufficient, you'll need your underinsured coverage to step in and ensure you can get back on the road. Our motorcycle accident lawyers in Denver help clients obtain their full underinsured motorist coverage benefits. Steps to maximize compensation. When you find yourself in a motorcycle accident, several crucial steps can help you maximize compensation through your underinsured coverage. Document the accident scene. As soon as it's safe to do so, document the accident scene thoroughly. Take clear and detailed photos of the scene, your motorcycle, any visible damages, and any injuries you or your passengers have sustained. Seek prompt medical attention. Even if your injuries seem minor at first, it's imperative to seek immediate medical attention. Some injuries may not manifest fully until later, and a medical professional's evaluation is essential for your health and for establishing the connection between the accident and your injuries. Notify your insurance provider. Promptly notify your insurance company about the accident. Provide them with all the relevant details, including the other party's insurance information and any police reports. Consult an experienced attorney. In situations where the at-fault driver's insurance is inadequate, or if there are complexities surrounding the accident, it's highly advisable to consult an experienced personal injury attorney. These professionals specialize in navigating the legal intricacies, negotiating with insurance companies, and advocating for your rights. Navigating a motorcycle accident and the subsequent insurance claim process can be overwhelming, especially if you're dealing with injuries and property damage. An attorney can provide valuable guidance, ensuring you don't inadvertently accept a settlement that doesn't fully compensate you for your losses. Frequently asked questions, FAQs. What if the at-fault driver doesn't have insurance at all? In cases where the responsible driver is uninsured, your own uninsured motorist coverage should come into play. Will my premiums increase if I file an underinsured claim? Generally, filing an underinsured claim shouldn't lead to a premium increase. These claims typically don't count against you as a chargeable incident, but it's essential to review the specific terms of your policy to be certain. Can I negotiate with the at-fault driver's insurance company myself? While it's possible to negotiate with the insurance company independently, having an attorney by your side can significantly improve the outcome. Insurance companies have teams of adjusters and legal experts, and having a skilled attorney levels the playing field, ensuring your rights are upheld and that you receive a fair settlement. How long does the underinsured claims process usually take? The duration of the underinsured claims process varies based on the specifics of your case. Factors such as the complexity of the accident, the extent of damages, and the willingness of the insurance company to cooperate can impact the timeline. An experienced attorney can help expedite the process by effectively handling negotiations and paperwork. Is it possible to stack underinsured coverage? In some cases, you may be able to stack underinsured coverage from multiple insurance policies. This arrangement can potentially increase the total compensation available to you. Conclusion. Maximizing compensation through underinsured coverage is a vital consideration for motorcycle riders. Understanding the nuances of this type of coverage, evaluating your existing policy, taking prompt and appropriate actions after an accident, and seeking professional legal assistance when needed can make a significant difference in the aftermath of a motorcycle accident.